You want to make money online? In this video, I'll be giving you top 5 side hustle ideas you can start today and start making money online. Hey, what's good YouTube? It's your boy here, Influencer, and today we're back at it with another YouTube video. In this video, I'll be giving you top 5 side hustle ideas that you can start today and make $500 daily. So without wasting any time, let's get into this video. The first side hustle is flipping Instagram theme pages. A theme page is a page which is focused mainly on a specific topic. You can buy a theme page and choose to flip it, or simply keep on posting on the theme page and making money by methods of sponsored posts and sponsored stories. If you don't have enough money to buy a theme page, what you could do is that you can grow a theme page and then sell it at a later stage. So guys, before you get into the second side hustle, make sure you have subscribed and turn on your post notifications so that when I upload, you never miss an upload. The second side hustle is selling on Facebook Marketplace. I have in fact used this method of making money myself, but I wasn't selling my own goods. I initially bought microphones from China and listed them on Facebook Marketplace. I then met up with these people who were messaging me, and then I sold the microphones to them for a profit. This is a picture of the microphones which I was flipping. This is a great place to sell products, especially because you don't have any seller fees and you are exposed to a lot of potential customers. The third side hustle is becoming a freelance graphic designer. This side hustle doesn't require you to have good grades in the past. All you need to do is learn how to design logos for individuals or businesses. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork.com are the go-to when you're looking to post your graphic designer skills or any other skills. In fact, I used to edit people's videos on Fiverr and then made money from that. Side hustle number 4 is being an online tutor. In the world we live in now, everything is going online, and funny enough, tutoring has also went online in the past year due to COVID-19. There is potential to make a lot of money tutoring people online. All you need is a laptop and a good internet connection. The fifth side hustle is video editing. Earlier in this video, I mentioned that I used to go on Fiverr and edit people's videos for a profit back in the day. Video editing is one of the side hustles and can also be a full-time job, because some people have this video editing as a full-time job, and you have the opportunity of making a lot of money from video editing. Let me give you an example. I'm a YouTuber and you're a video editor. I go on Fiverr, post a list that I'm looking for a video editor, and you apply and I accept your offer. You edit one video for me and I'm happy with your video editing skills, and then I hire you to be my full-time video editor, and then you can work out an agreement with the YouTuber and start making money from that. And then the YouTuber is paying you now for every video that you edit on his channel. All you have to do is go and register on Fiverr to be a video editor. We've come to the end of the video. Thanks for watching this video. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that when I upload, you never miss an upload. It's been your boy here, Influencer, signing out. Peace.